the doodle bops. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da-da.
Whoa, Deedee, that was great. That was right on key. I didn't know you could do that.
Me neither. It just kind of came out. Let's try it again, okay? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Come on, Deedee, you can do it.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Wow! Oh, no. That's too high.
No, it isn't. I can do it. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da-da. Oh no!
What happened to your voice?
I don't know.
Oh, Deedee, you sound awful. You're gonna sound awfully funny at the concert tonight. You can't sing with a voice like that.
What am I gonna do?
Why does Deedee have to rest her voice?
Her voice is all croaky. She needs to take it easy.
She can't sing?
Nope.
Well, you know what? Maybe we should try a little lip sync for the video.
Lip syncing?
Uh-huh.
You mean where one person moves their mouth and someone else speaks?
That's right, you got it. Okay, now let's give it a try. Now grab a mic there, Deedee. Okay, Rooney, you try to sound like Deedee.
Ahem. Communicate. Ha. Hey, it's great. Got to tell ya. I just can't wait.
All right, fine, that's okay. Now, Mo, you give it a shot.
Communicate. Right now. I got to tell ya. I'll show you how.
Okay, yeah, no, it's not working. Let the dog show you how it's done. All right.
Communicate. Hey, it's great. I got to tell ya.
Okay, fine. Okay, you guys are laughing. That's all right, fine. We'll just do it with Mo and Rooney. All right, fine. Okay. All right, now groove on, Doodles. Up to your positions.
Thanks a lot.
Deedee, you got your voice back.
Yep, Jazz was right. All I had to do was rest my voice. Boy, that's a lot more fun to say than it is to listen to.
Resting the voice is the right choice. Now let's hear that beautiful voice.
With pleasure.
Yeah.
One more time.